Access specialized forms for working with recipe or meal records by using the Manage Records menu. Click My Recipes to open up a listing of your recipes. When this form first opens, the recipes will be listed first by category bar, then by name within the category. These two checkboxes will confirm the status of a recipe. Click this button to resort the list. You have several choices. You can resort by name only. You can sort by date descending with the newest recipes listed first. You can resort again by category with the names ascending within each category. To view a listed recipe, first select a recipe in the list, then click View Recipe. After you work with a recipe, close with the stop sign and you'll return to the recipe list form. To delete a recipe directly from this list, select a recipe jar, then use the delete key. You get the familiar record and relationships. Normally, say yes, and the recipe will be deleted. I'm going to click No, I don't want to delete this recipe. Note that the recipe I was going to delete had been made into an ingredient. Deleting the recipe would not have deleted that food item ingredient. Close this form with the stop sign. Click My Meals to generate a list of all your meal records. One use for this form is to identify days where you did not mark all the meals as all logged. To do so, click this button. Here we see there are 4 days where the meals were not marked as all logged. The first 2 days are orphan meals, that is to say it looks like only one meal that day was recorded. They have no use in our nutrition reports. These 2 days, looks like all 3 meals were logged. We just didn't check them off. We'll need to go to the main form and check off the 3 meals for each of those 2 days. These 2 meals are orphan meals. They don't need to be in the database. I can select them and use the delete key to delete them. I'll say yes. And those meal records no longer exist. These 6 records represent all the meals logged in 2 days. So I'll use the main form to verify and then check them off as all logged. To redisplay all records, click this button. Close with the stop sign.